Namaste from this side to that. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 amazing tips that I learned from Adobe Max for Illustrator. So without any further ado, let's get started. Our first tip is how to play around with the corners of rectangles or squares. You can drag these points inside and outside to have curved corners. But do you know you can press Option key and then select this corner, and on pressing this you can give different shapes as per your requirement. Just create a square shape over here, make it a circle, and then Option, press on this and you have a diamond shape with you. And if you didn't like this shape and you would like to play again, you can press Option again and then click on this dot, and you can have custom shapes for your projects. I hope you like this tip. Let's move on to our next tip. Our next tip is how to draw inside the shapes. I know you have been using clipping masks for so long now, but drawing something inside the shapes is easier than you can think of. All you need to do is you need to draw a shape, then select the shape and go to this option and click on it. Now let me select my pencil tool or say paintbrush tool. I would like it in yellow, and whatever I am drawing right now will fall inside this rectangle. You can go ahead and create your custom shapes and design using this option. I know this is an amazing feature, right? Next up is the join tool. Have you ever faced issues in joining the endpoints of your drawings? I know I have. Joining the points is easier than ever now. All you need to do is you need to go to help and search for join tool, and here is the join tool, as you can see, and this is where it's popping up in the toolbar section as well. Select this join tool and then just circle around the points that you want to be connected, and see, it's such a fine connection that we have received for this one. So these were the 3 amazing tips that I explored in Adobe Max. I hope you enjoyed the video and found the tips helpful as I have. Feel free to explore other content on my channel and let me know if you find it useful by using the comment section. Feel free to subscribe my channel and we'll stay connected with more amazing content. Until then, hasta la vista, cheero.